Welcome to Decision Making 101 with University Advising. Are you feeling overwhelmed about choosing a major? You're not alone. Did you know 75% of college students change their major at least once while in college? It can be one of the biggest decisions you'll make at JMU, but don't worry. We've got a simple 4-step framework to help you. First, let's assess your values and strengths. Then we'll explore your options. We'll then make a decision. And finally, we'll act on that decision. Let's break it down. Go ahead and grab a piece of paper and pen and let's make a decision. Let's assess your values and strengths. This is all about understanding you. Think about, what are your values? Do you value creativity? Maybe you like the arts or media. Or is leadership more your thing, whether it be leading a team on a project or being a supervisor? Maybe financial success and making a good salary is important. Or perhaps family and a good work-life balance is a strong value of yours. All of these are examples of values to consider when looking into potential majors and careers. Now let's look at what your strengths are. Maybe you're resilient and overcome obstacles easily. Or you're innovative and enjoy creating. Perhaps you're a critical thinker and like to break down complex information. Or you're a great team player and work well in groups. These are all important strengths, but there might be some that you're better at than others. Lastly, what kind of life do you want after graduation? Do you enjoy traveling and want that to be incorporated into your career? Maybe you enjoy working in an office with other people. Or working with kids and youth is more your thing. Or you want to further your education. Take a moment to pause the video, reflect on these points, and be sure to write them down. This will make the next step much easier. Now that we've assessed, let's explore more. Let's explore your options. Take your strengths, interests, and career goals and research different career paths and what majors lead to them. When researching, think about the job market. Is the career you chose expected to grow, stay the same, or even decline? What does the salary look like? Could you live off of it? Will you need to further your education, whether it be a certification or higher degree? If you're looking for tips on researching these topics, check out our resources under the Explore section on the Decision 101 webpage. Another great way to explore is to talk to people. Reach out to professors, students in your potential major, or professionals in the field. You'd be surprised how much insight you can get from a quick conversation. After exploring, it's time to make a decision. Let's decide with confidence. If you're torn between a few majors, make a pros and cons list to help break it down. Think about what major or career excites you the most. What aligns with your career goals and values more? And what feels right? What is your gut feeling? And if you're still unsure, consider these. Picture yourself in each career or major. How do you feel? Where could you see yourself enjoying the work environment most? If you don't want to primarily be in an office, then a career where it's mostly an office setting might not be for you. And remember, no decision is permanent. You can always pivot. Review what we've gone over and what you've written down. When you're comfortable and ready, it's time to act. Now let's take action. Let's act on our decision. First thing to do is to declare your major. This is the most exciting step. Join a related club and meet other students with similar interests. Start networking and making connections in your chosen path. And remember, if you ever feel like you made the wrong choice, it's okay to switch. Many students do, and it's all part of the learning process. So let's recap. Assess your values and strengths. Explore your options. Decide with confidence, and take action. Choosing a major doesn't have to be stressful. It's all about finding what excites you. And at any stage, if you have questions, we invite you to make an appointment with an exploratory advisor to discuss your major and minor options. And make sure to use the resources on the Decision 101 webpage to help guide your decision making. Now go apply these steps and start shaping your future.